Today, we're going to make a delicious creamy pizza sauce. Let's go. Welcome to MTK Food Center. My name is Talha. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup of tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes, 1/4 cup of heavy cream or half and half, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, half teaspoon of dried oregano, half teaspoon of dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. First, let's heat up the olive oil in the saucepan over medium heat. Pours the olive oil into the saucepan and turns on the stove. The oil is heating up nicely. Now, we'll add the minced garlic to the saucepan and sauté it for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. Adds the minced garlic to the saucepan and stirs it with a spoon. Next, we pour in the tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes and stir everything well. Pours the tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes into the saucepan and stirs it. Now, we'll reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to blend together. Adjust the heat and sets a timer for 5 minutes. Yes, exactly. We'll gradually stir in the heavy cream or half and half while the sauce is still simmering. Pours the heavy cream or half and half into the saucepan, followed by the dried oregano and dried basil. Bathe in it, salt and pepper and stir everything together. We'll let the sauce simmer for another 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Almost there. After the 5 minutes, we'll remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool slightly before using it as a pizza topping. Yes, it's cooled down enough. We can spread it on our pizza dough and add our favorite toppings before baking it in the oven.